1, 2 carry-on, and 1 check-in bag. Hey guys, we are finally here. We are at the HYATT ZIVA, Cancun, Mexico. Okay, let's do a room tour. Just to show you how big the bathroom is, I could touch every single wall with my arms. That's how small this bathroom is. Got 2 sink, body wash, lotion. Yeah. Let's see the shower. Rain shower. It's not bad. Got closet, iron, safe, shower roll. Next. You got a big TV. Empty cabinets. Oh, what's this? Nespresso machine. Nespresso machine with 1, 2, 3, 4 shots. You can always ask them to bring up more. And then, wow, got candy bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wow, look. Oh, drinks for the baby. Elsa, you want a drink? Huh? You want Bacardi? Or you want the 2017 red wine? Huh? Okay, what's in here? You got beer, light beer, mineral water, Sprite, Coke, Coke Zero. No, that's not Coke Zero. That's Coke Light. Just a few drinks. So this room is kind of small, but let's check out the view. So the best part of this room is the sweeping oceanfront view. We stayed in the room on the 4th floor. For me, I like the higher floor because you get more view of everything from the balcony, and also it's slightly less noisy from the music below. Alright, so we're super hungry and we're gonna get some buffet food. El Mercado. I really like the main buffet area. It's very spacious. So many windows, very bright. Out of all the Cancun resorts I've been to, Ziva Buffet is by far the best buffet. No doubt about it. Just look at all these foods. It's not just about the large variety, but just look at the quality. The food is fresh. It was well cooked. The food doesn't look like it was sitting there for a long time. Almost all the food I tried tastes good. I've been to many Cancun resorts and I'm telling you with great confidence that you would love the food here. You really do get what you pay for. Man, just look at that salmon. It's cooked so well, it looks so good with all the fresh veggies. If you got kids, there's so much fried food. Fried fish, fried chicken, French fries, everything fried. If you want to eat rice foods, they got rice foods. They have so many different veggies and fruits. If you like to eat nachos, they have so many different toppings and side dishes to eat with tacos and nachos. They had some sushi too, but I didn't go to the sushi session. What I really like about the buffet, the breakfast buffet had so many different juices. Any kind of fresh juice you want. They got pineapple juice, passion fruit juice, apple juice, orange juice. If you like to eat light, they got yogurt. Look at all the toppings you could have with your yogurt. You need your croissant. There's a lot of bread, a lot of buns. Look at the salad bar. Everything you want in a salad, you got it. For the lunch, during this day, they had a special fresh ceviche bar with octopus. So guys, this pool section is in the area called the club area. But anyone else can go to this pool area. It's not like it's closed off or anything. The only thing that's closed off is the club building. You will need a special card to go into the club building. As you can see, the pool area is super spacious. There's so many chairs you can lay at. There's a lot of umbrellas all around. They got a hot tub. Everything looks super clean. This building right here is the club building. So if you stay at the club building, all you need to do is just take an elevator down and you're right there at the pool. If you walk a little bit, just a 1 minute walk, you'll be right at the beach. See this place? It's just so clean. The pool area is very spacious, very wide. You won't feel like it's so crowded. This is the club building right here. You have your own private coffee center. This is just the club building lobby. This is where you go to check in. This is a gift shop. There's a sunglasses shop. Just an area to chill outside, chat. This is the kids' play area. It's very, very disappointing. All right, so here is the dolphin view rooms, which is more expensive than the regular rooms. The regular rooms would be directly behind this dolphin view room. And the view you would get behind this building is probably trees. And if you're lucky, you would be on the ocean side and you would see some ocean. This is the gazebo wedding area, wedding ceremony area. It's terrific. You got a nice oceanfront view, a little bit away from the pool area, so it's a little bit private, but you can't beat this view right here. If you had a destination wedding, I think it'll be a pretty nice destination wedding with crazy nice photos, all that kind of stuff. Well, that's it for this video. If you guys like this video, you can see the part 2 of this video. Part 2 is gonna be covering the restaurants.